Welcome. In this video I will show you how to skip introduction movie in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. In order to do this, you're gonna have to enter settings by either pressing F3 button on your keyboard or by pressing the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen in the main menu. Then select Interface section, and in Interface you're gonna have to select the global tab at the top, and then find the skip introduction movie feature right here. To enable it, switch the toggle to the right, and now the introduction movie will no longer appear when you enter the game. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.